Okay fellas, we have Makita angle grinder and it's not working, and I don't like how the switch is turning on, so let's try to check it. What can we find inside of it? Okay, the customer told that him have the assembler the tool and find nothing bad in it. Okay, the bearing is wobble and dry. Let's check for the all four magnets. Magnets are good. The armature can see a little bit damage. Maybe that's not a big problem. Okay, I can see that the button was not installed good. And yeah, by looking at the first side, there's nothing bad here. The wires, and if I see good or not. Let's see that the positive terminal wobble. No, it's not wobble. Okay, so what we have more here, we have the switch. We can, and I don't like the switch not making the normal click click sound here. Okay, this one is shorted. Of course, we have the continuity here. We have the continuity here. We have the continuity here. Okay. Okay, strange. I need to check for this switch. Okay, let's see the diagram on it. It looks a little bit strange that the switch is always working, and normally, yeah, now this one, this one don't have the continuity now. Let's check it. Okay, let's check from the wire to the that's not look really solid. I don't like something about the switch. I need to find a spare one. Okay, let's try to replace the switch. The white one, and both the red ones. dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie. Okay, basically now do we have some light here? No, okay, so I will try to assemble it, and we will see if the switch was bad or not. Let's see, we have this here, this one here. Just making sure that the switch is pressing the I don't know, the knob is pressing the switch off. Okay, seems to be working. Okay, let's insert the armature and turning the housing good. It moves, so now we can try and test it. We have the grinder working, so what I want to do now, I want to fully assemble it, and then of course I will test it more. And I have this battery only 2 left, so let's try to put it on the max. Okay, it seems that it's working, so that was the switch problem. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.